Dear students, I am UK Singh, PGT Pol Science from Mahatma Gandhi Shikshan Sansthan, Darbhanga. Dear students, today we will discuss about democracy in political science, chapter 2. We were discussed in previous class about some key features of democracy, in which we discussed about major decisions are taken by the elected leaders and the free and fair elections. As we know that being a democracy in our country, major decisions are taken by the elected leaders in our parliament. Similarly, we see free and fair election is regularly held after every 5 years, although some lackness we find also, but that is not serious matter. Today we will discuss about one person, one vote, one value. Dear students, in history also we have discussed that during French Revolution, people started a struggle for universal adult franchise. Now, this principle has been accepted almost in all democratic countries. Although in some countries this principle are denied by the rulers. For example, in Saudi Arabia, women do not have the right to vote. In Estonia, citizenship rules in such a way that people belonging to Russian minority find it difficult to get the right to vote. It means in Estonia, the Russian citizens have not right to vote. Similarly, in Fiji also, an indigenous Fiji has more value than that of Indian Fijian. It means the value of vote of Indian Fijian or Indian Fijis is lesser than the indigenous Fiji. Indigenous Fiji means the native citizens of the Fiji. Thus we see that democracy is based on a fundamental principle of political equality. It means about what we discussed, it clarifies that democracy is based on a fundamental principle of political equality. That gives us the third feature of democracy in a democracy, that each adult citizen must have one vote and each vote must have one value. We shall read more about it in chapter 4 also. The next feature of democracy is rule of law and respect for rights. In despotic rule, we have discussed in history that rules were not equal for all the citizens. Citizens were treated politically different. But democracy gives or provides rules of law and respect for rights. When the citizens are treated equally before the law, from the first citizen of the country like President of India and a beggar wandering on the road, then we must say that is the soul of democracy. Similarly, whenever the government does not respect the right of citizens, we cannot say that is a real democracy. We can understand this feature by an example of Zimbabwe. Dear students, Zimbabwe got independence from white minority rule in 1980. When did Zimbabwe get independence from minority rule of white? Zimbabwe got its independence from white minority rule in 1980. Since then, the Zimbabwe has been ruled by ZANU PF party, the party that led the freedom struggle. As in our country, the Congress led the freedom struggle and came in power till 1977. Similarly, from 1980, ZANU PF that led the struggle of freedom came in power and ruled over Zimbabwe. Its leader, Robert Mugabe, has been ruling the country since independence. It's the leader of ZANU PF, Robert Mugabe, has been ruling the country since independence. Elections have been held regularly and always won ZANU PF. If you ask to your elders, to your parents, grandparents, then they can tell you about elections were held in India also regularly after every 5 years, but only Congress won the election and formed the government till 1977. 1977 was the first time when non-Congress government came in power in our country. Similarly, since independence, ZANU PF has been ruling in Zimbabwe. President Mugabe is popular but also uses unfair practices and unfair means in elections. Over the years, his government has changed the constitution several times to increase the power of the president and make him less accountable. It means PF or the president of Zimbabwe, Robert Mugabe, changed the constitution several times to increase the powers of the president and to make less accountable to the people, to the president. Over the years, his government, although opposition party workers are harassed. In our country also we can see